Djibouti, and above all to be here with International Somali Awards. It's my third year with them, so it's always a wonderful time to celebrate the accomplishments of Somalis all over the world.
And honestly, it's amazing how they bring everyone together. I loved it.
To celebrate each other, to know that you're not alone, you have your community behind you, there is nothing that compares to that.
Giving people the respect they deserve and shining lights on the people that are up and coming. Anything that is here to kind of highlight the reputation and also like the successful Somalis in general, I'm going to be here representing 100%.
To be in the presence of incredible Somalis who are putting Somalia on the map, it's such an honour for me.
The heart of the Somali culture is community, is to be together, and that's what being Somali is all about.
Getting positive representation for Somalis is vitally important, and showcasing that through the work that they do, their projects, not just the awards itself, but is something that brings it to the fore and makes people understand the Somali community a bit better as well.
I think the work International Somali Awards are doing is brilliant, and the whole team of ATM, I just want to say, as a father, as a member of the community, thank you very much for all the amazing work you do.